All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to go through and talk a little bit about respawning. Okay, so in this area, I've got my playground, and I've got two total spawners here. Okay, so the first spawner that I have is actually for my enemy. Okay, so my spawner is invisible. You see, it's got no substance to it whatsoever. That's because my alpha value is at 0. And then I just simply put him in my scene. So spawner 1 is sitting right here. So if we look at the code in this one, we can see if the game prize count equals 0, meaning my main character has eaten all of the pellets, then the enemy is going to start chasing him. So if we look, 1, 2, 3, go spawns. All right. So that's one. Now here is another one that I have. If we look here at the bottom, we can see that I have set keyboard key to R that is going to decrease a value that I created. So I created game lives, okay, 3 lives. It's going to take one of them away, and then it's going to spawn Pac-Man. Okay, so what this is looking for is maybe if I had a rule where, let's say, attribute, let's get rid of that first one. We say game lives is equal to 0, and we had a scene that is labeled as game over. Okay, so let's go back to my actor. So if game lives equals 0, then we're going to change the scene to game over. Okay, so every time we press R, we lose a game life and Pac-Man responds. So let's go ahead and look at that. So press R, and he's back again. Okay, so if we're looking at that, and we see that, like my other spawner, this is invisible, and we simply place that in our scene. So there's spawner 1 for the ghost, or the first spawner, and then spawner 1 right next to it is to trigger the respawn animation for Pac-Man. Now you can move this guy around, and he'll spawn. Pac-Man will spawn wherever you put it. Okay. All right, guys. I hope this has been of some help. This is in my YouTube channel. Let me know if I can help.